Now that we've removed the tile and the fiber cement backer board, as you can see, all the screws that were used to attach this fiber cement backer board is still in place. And yes, you could technically unscrew it, but a lot of times it could be stripped and it could be stuck to the 2x4 board. Now, there are several ways to cut those screws. You can use an angle grinder, but the problem with that is you don't want debris flying everywhere, especially in an interior area. That's where the oscillating multi-tool comes in handy. But with the oscillating multi-tool, you don't want to just use any type of blade. Your standard multi-tool blade is not going to cut through these screws. And in our past videos, we've cut through steel concrete screws and sheetrock screws. These screws that are meant for attaching fiber cement backer board into the 2x4 studs, these screws are a grade above sheetrock screws. They're a little bit thicker, and obviously they're going to be harder to cut, but that's no problem with our high strength carbide oscillating multi-tool blade. Now for the job, we're going to be using one of our old oscillating multi-tool blades that we've used in past videos. Obviously, when you're doing this type of cutting, you want to protect yourself and wear some gloves and eye protection as well. These are impact resistant, scratch resistant, indoor, outdoor use safety glasses, just to make sure stuff doesn't fly in your face. And then also, when using the oscillating multi-tool for this type of job, what you want to do is lower the speed. If the speed setting is 10, the maximum setting is 10, you want to lower it down to a 7. Still, look at that, flush cut. You see here, it's almost like there's nothing there. It looks like that's part of the wood. And that's what I love about this oscillating tool blade.